Isn't the universe also expanding with its vastness as it is? It still is moving towards infinity, and so is the time. Then, you, a simple drop of this ocean, why are you expecting to form a single waveform? Why are you craving for the stability when there is not a single thing that is still? The only constant is the growth. Be it you, the place you are in, or simply the time that drives you. So, for as long as this goes on, you will never be stable because you're not supposed to be. So, what is this quest for? What is this rush for? What is this constant source of something that is not supposed to be found because it simply doesn't exist? So that's how I realize that life is meant to be lived like this, with this dullness, with this mundane lifestyle, with this silence. It never always is the butterflies. It simply isn't. That's how it goes.